Hello, welcome to day 7 of Beauty on a Budget, 30 Days of Glam for Less. Today we're going to be talking about this Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator Tinted Skin Veil. This is what she's looking like. I featured her a couple of videos back. Why is it a her? I don't know. Mine is in the shade medium tan. This retails for $6.99 on Ulta's website, and it does say it's online only. However, I found this at Walmart. So there are only 7 shade options, so not that great. This tinted hydrator with hyaluronic acid and squalane is a one-way ticket to quenched perfection. Wet n Wild's Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator features buildable, sheer to medium coverage with a semi-matte finish for a naturally flawless and nourished glow. One of the reasons why I love this so much is because it is so hydrating. A little bit goes a long way. To me, it's more than just sheer coverage. I'm gonna put this directly on my face. Yeah, we'll do one side so you can see. One of the reasons why I love this so much is because it is so buildable. In my opinion, it is not sheer. I love that, especially for a tinted hydrator. It just gives your skin a nice all over natural looking look to it. It looks like your skin but better. You can see your skin peeking out from underneath, and it's not so drenched in product that it looks like it's just sitting on top of your skin. This is gonna be one layer. So let's do this side. We're all blended out. Let's go in with a little bit more. This time I'm going to put it right directly on my sponge. I just want to show you guys how buildable it is without being cakey. You can see with the second layer, my freckles are starting to go away and it's starting to get that more full coverage look. The buildable claim, totally true. And it is giving me that natural finish, which I love. You can still see my skin peeking through. Nothing looks too cakey. It's not settling into my fine lines. You can still see a little bit in my pores, but nothing is emphasized. This is overall just honestly a really great product to have in your collection, whether you like full coverage and you can build it up to that. Like, I can put even more on if I wanted to, or just leave it with that sheer natural looking finish to start with and just go on about your day if you're doing errands or you don't love a full coverage or you don't like a lot of products or makeup on your face. I feel like this is definitely a go-to and something that you need in your life. All right, that was day 7. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all of my videos from this series and everything else that I post. We deal with a lot of affordable beauty, so if that is in your wheelhouse too, and I feel like I just spit everywhere. I just spit at you, so you know, that's something you can look forward to on my channel. Just come on over. It's a crazy thing over there. Just come, you won't regret it. Okay, bye.